Hello everyone, welcome you all in another video of TikTok BD. In today's video, I will teach you how you can host your static website in Google Drive. This is a test website template. I downloaded it from internet and made some changes. If you are running out of cache and want to make a website live with SSL certificate, then this video is for you. And everything we will do in this video will not cost us a single penny. So let's do this. For this tutorial, you have to have a domain name registered. I have a domain called tiktalkbd.com. I will make my site available at www.tiktalkbd.com. First, you have to make a new Google address which will be used in everywhere. You don't want to use your personal Google address here, as the document in your Google Drive will be public and unsecure. Then log into your Google Drive, make a new folder as the name what you want your visitors will put in the browser. After making the folder, drag and drop your website data into this folder. It will take some time depending your internet connection and the size of your website. Now we need to make the folder public. To do it, right-click on the folder and click Get Link. Select anyone with the link. Then click the Copy Link button from top right corner to copy the public URL and save it somewhere. Next, we will host our site. Open a new browser and type drv.tw in the address bar. Click on Host on Google Drive. You can also host your site at OneDrive. Now it is asking for permission to access my website data. Click Allow to give total permission to drv.tw to access the site's data. Now drv.tw already hosted my website and gave me a link for my site to access, which is a big address. Let's make it more interactive. Now open your domain name control panel. From there you need to make some changes. Now copy the drv.tw link. You need to copy only this portion, not the whole link. Now create a CNAME record with www.host and point it to the drv.tw URL. Click Save to apply the change. Let's check our site. It is already live. We can see our site is not secure yet. To make the site secure, let's go to the Cloudflare site. Go to cloudflare.com and log in from there. Enter your site address. Here it is showing us some billing plan. We will select free package now and select continue. Our CNAME record is already there, which we created at our domain registrar site. We will keep that and make a new TXT record for our site. Select type as txt and name as www and content as drvtw is equal to, and paste the drvtw link here. And click Save. Now, as Cloudflare is giving us a free SSL certificate, we have to use its name server. Otherwise, it won't give us the free certificate. Now we will update the name server addresses suggested by Cloudflare in our domain registrar page. Click to copy the addresses and paste both the name server addresses and click Save to apply the change. It will take some time to update the name servers. Now get back to the Cloudflare page and click on Get Started. On Automatic HTTPS Rewrites, keep on and click Save. On Always Use HTTPS, click on and save. Rest of the settings keep the default and click Save. At last, click Finish to complete the configuration changes. At this point, our domain entries look good and also our name servers are updated. Let's check our site. And yes, our server is opening with a free SSL certificate, which validity is also 1 year. Well, we have come to the end of today's video. Hope you guys learned something new today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Stay safe, stay healthy. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel.